Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. We are back, baby. Let's roll with your bad self. Today, we hit them at the casino. And guess what? I got third place in the poker tournament yesterday. Third place out of 144 people. So I made a little bit of money there. We did good today playing craps at the casino. Won $1,540 today. $1,540 playing craps. So played only for about an hour. Yeah, only about an hour I played today. So that's a good money return right there. All right, so I had to abandon the no 10. This one guy came up and he threw 5 10s out of 7 rolls. 5 10s out of 7 rolls. So what I did was I did 100 on no 10. I got picked off. No. Here's what happened. I waited for 2 10s. 2 10s he threw, and then I went with a $100 no lay or no 10, and I got picked off. He hit the third 10. Then I went to $300, and I got picked off again. So I lost $400 just on the no 10 on 2 rolls. So, and I had bigger money on my 6 and 8. So I got picked off. I was down $400. And then what I did was I went with buying the 4 and the 10, and I went really big on the hard 4 and the hard 10, and I hit it. I hit the hard 4, and that paid me like $450, so I got my money back. And then I would go like $150 on the 6 and 8, and I let it ride without any hedge. And then I would reduce it down to like 60 each and stuff like that. So I did that. But then I immediately, ended up going back to laying the 4s and 10s and betting the 6s and 8. That's what my typical game is. Okay, so today you've seen me play this before, but I'm playing it in a different way, and I'm calling this the Triple 68. It's called the Triple 68. Okay, let's go ahead and play. Today, we'll go ahead and put $50 on the pass line. It's no big deal. All right. So now also too, guys, I'm going to welcome a new feature to our channel. We are now going to be doing we're going to have a feature. I ordered the buttons. So up here at the top, I'll be able to have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And we're going to start incorporating the $15 box. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. We'll treat these as our boxes. The one in the middle will be 150 to 1, and these will be 30 to 1. So what we'll do is we'll start marking our rolled numbers, and we're going to start betting the bonuses on every roll. Because I do that at the casino, guys, and I win it a lot. And if I don't win the all, I'll win one of the $50 ones, $150 ones. And I'll show you some tricks that you can do when you get to a point where you're almost on your bonus, okay? Or you're on your bonus. I'll show you what I mean when we start incorporating that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're on the pass line. Here we go. Okay, that's a 5. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and just bet a 6 right now. I'm just going to play the way I would play if I was at a casino, okay? All right? So what I'll do now is I'll go 100 on no 10. I'm not going to do the VIGs, okay? Now the VIG, guys, would be $2 to do the $100. If you do a no 10, you'd have to pay them $2, okay? So I'm going to just play as if I'm at... Oh... Here's what we're going to do. I'm sorry. I'm playing the wrong strategy. I'm so sorry. This is going to be $150, guys. I'm playing the wrong strategy. My bad. Okay, so this strategy I'm teaching you today, you have to do it like that. Okay? So what you're doing, now you can wait for there to be 2 10s or 2 4s. And then you make your move for $300. and then you go $150 on the 6 and 8. That would be your first bet. Now, relax, because we're going to go down when we get a first hit, okay? So here we go. Okay, that's a 9. Okay, we hit an 8. Okay, $175. There it is. We're going to rack it. And now we're going to reduce this down to $90 each. Okay? So it goes from $150 to $90. Okay, everybody got that? Okay, here we go. And you're going to keep your no 10 there. Okay, there's a 12. Okay, we're going to hit the 10. So we're going to lose this 300. It happens. Now, if you were at the casino, that would just be the first 10. So you would wait for 2 10s to hit or 2 4s, then lay it with your 300. So you would not have lost there, okay? We lost. It's okay. When we lose, we keep betting. We keep this bet without hedging. There is no more hedge now. Once you get picked off, that's it. Okay, there's a 6 right there, guys. Okay, so we're going to get, we have 90, we're going to get 105. Okay. Okay, now we're going to bring it down to $60. Here we go. There's an 11. A 9. 2. An 8. That's $70. We'll give them a nickel. And now we're going to bring it down to $30. And this is the triple 68. So we're trying to hit 3 times. There's a 9. And there's a 7. So we failed to hit 3 times, and we also got picked off. So overall, and we never even hit a point. I don't think we ever hit the point. If we hit the 5, I wasn't paying attention. So I wasn't paying attention. I don't think we did. Okay, so the first round goes to the casino. Okay? First round goes to the casino. All right. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to try to get back our money through the come out 7 hops. Okay, that's how we're going to try to get back our money here. So we're going to go, because we lost on the pass line, I'm going to make it 100 now. Okay, so we're looking for a 6-1 or a 4-3 here on the come out. Oh, we got the 6-2. I thought we were going to get it. Okay, so we'll lose this 30. Point is an 8. And now we're going to go $300 on no 10. And we're going to go 150 on the 6 and the 8. Now, what you would do if you're at the casino with your 8, you want to put this as odds. You make a little more money, okay? Here we go. Okay, there's a 10. Wow. We're off to a really bad start. But remember, guys, you would not be losing. You're going to wait for 2 10s before you even bet. In our case, you're seeing me get picked off because we're breaking the rule. And that's what happens. Why do you think I have the rule? Why do you think I'm teaching you that way? Because I'm an experienced player, guys. I play all the time. I know why we do that rule. Okay, there's a 9. A 12. An 8. We're going to get 175 of the 300 back. Okay, and now we're going to go to $90. We hit the 8. Oh, we win $100 on the pass line, guys. Hold on one second. We get another 100 for the pass line. So that is actually a $275 win. So we basically got back our no 10 right there. And now this is coming down. And we're going to go with $90 now. Okay. And we're going to keep our 100 on the pass line. And we're going to still fire 15 each on the 6-1 and the 4-3. Now the 6-8 is off. So we got 100 pass line, 15 on the 6-1, $15 on the 4-3. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to lose this 100. We're going to lose $130 there because we threw a 2-1. Okay, now we're not going to redo our 7s, and we're just going to put 100 back, okay? All right, because we lost there, so we're just going to replace it. Okay, there's a 10. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and lay the 4 instead of the 10 because we want to hit the 10. We have $100 on it now, okay? So we're going to go 300. Oh, no, we already got picked off before. I'm making a lot of mistakes, guys, because this is a new strategy. All right, so we're just doing it without a hedge here, guys. We got the 6 and 8 without a hedge because we're trying to hit it. There's an 8. We're trying to hit it 3 times. That's the second time, okay? So that's going to be $105. And now these are going to go to 60. And this, if we hit this, that will be 3 of them. The triple. Okay, we're trying to get the triple 6-8. Okay, there's a 9. And there's an 8. Okay, that's $70. Give them a nickel. And now we're going to make them $30 each, okay? And at $30 each, you don't come off anymore. There is no more coming down or going up. There's no more of that, okay? All right, now you're just going to roll as long as you can roll. We hope we hit a 10. Okay, there's a 5. A 3. 11. A 5. A 9. A 10. There we go. We got $100 right there. There we go. All right. We're going to press our pass line bet. We're going to press it. We got 200 on it now, okay? All right. So now we're off on the 6-8. We're going to put $10 each on the 6-1, 4-3. Here we go. Oh, we hit the 8. We hit the 4-4. That would have been a nice come-out win. But we have a good point, okay? And now what we're going to do, because our 200 is on the 8, we're not going to do anything except for just roll with no hedge. 5-2-7. Horrible. Okay, that did not go very well for us. Okay, we're going to lose all that. Okay, here we go. We're going to go 200 on the pass line. We're going to go a quarter each on the 6-1 and the 4-3. Here we go. Okay, we're going to hit a 4. Okay, we're going to lose this 50. And now we're going to go 150 each. Here we go. Oh, we got to do our hedge. 300 on no 10. Here we go. Okay, that's a 3. Okay, that's a 9. Hard 8. Okay, we're going to get 175 for the hard 8. For the 8, actually, not the hard 8, but okay, now we'll bring this down to 90. Okay. I'm just going to put 100 there, guys. It's just easier for me. Okay, there's a 2. A 5. An 8. Okay, 90 is going to pay 105. Okay, now we'll bring this down to $60. I'll get some change here. All right, here we go. A 7. All right. So we're going to lose 200, 320, and we're only going to get back 150. So we're not doing very well. We're not doing very well so far on the triple 68. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to mix it up a little bit because we got to get things going, okay? So sometimes you got to start being a little more creative and aggressive to get back your money, okay? So I'm just doing it the way I would play if I was at a casino right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna leave my no 10 up for 300. I'm gonna put a quarter each on all 3 sevens, okay? And I'm gonna go 200 on the pass line, okay? Here we go. 6-1, there we go. Okay, so watch what happens here, okay? So I'm gonna get 150 for the no 10. I'm gonna lose this 50. I'm gonna get 375 for my 6-1, and I'm gonna get 200 for my pass line, okay? So altogether, we've made on that one roll, 400, 500, 600, $750 on one roll. Is that right? Yeah, $750 on one roll. Okay? All right, so I'm going to come down. I'm going to reduce I'm going to do my no 10 again for 300, and I'll keep my pass line for 200. And I'll reduce my 6-1-4-3 to $5 each. Here we go. Okay, there's an 8. Okay, so I'm going to lose this $10. Okay, and now I'm going to go 150. I'm going to go 150 on my 6. And I already have 200 over there. So I'm good. Okay, here we go. 5, 9, 7. Okay, I'm only going to get back this 150. That's it. Because of my no 10, I'm going to lose 200 over here. We're going to leave the no 10 there. I'm going to go with 200 again on my pass line. And I'm going to go back to all of my 7 hops on the come out. Okay, I hit the 5-2-7. Okay, so I'm going to get 150 for the no 10. I'm going to lose this 50. I'm going to get $375 for my 5-2. And I'm going to get 200 for my pass line. Okay, so I'm going to remove my pass line and make it 100. Coming off of my 7 hops. Put this back. Okay, and I'm going to reduce my no 10 to only 200 now. Because now we got off to a bad start, and now we have plenty of money here where we could technically cash out. If I come down on my no 10 and my pass line, there's my 5,000, and I've already won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $975 in 18 minutes, and that's a wrap. So you can see sometimes. Now another thing that I'll do is I'll go really big sometimes, where if I get into big trouble sometimes I'll buy the 4 and the 10 if I need like a bailout. Sometimes I'll put like $300 on the 4, $300 on the 10, and $100 on the hard 4 and $100 on the hard 10. If I get a hard 10 or a hard 4, I'm back in business. Even if I hit a regular 4 or a regular 10, I'm back in business because it pays 600 only minus 100. So I would make $500 by hitting a 4 or a 10. They roll just as much as combined as a 7, but the problem is it's not an equal advantage. The 7 is still at a higher advantage because of the way that they pay out everything. Okay, but hey, guys, we almost made $1,000. We got off to a horrible start. The system really didn't do that well, but there's a lot of times that it's going to do really, really well. You could literally go there and hit all 3 of your 6/8s and get it down to the $30. And, you could just say, well, gosh, I'm up $350. I'm just going to get out of here. So always take your profits to get off the table, okay? Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hit the like button for me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.